Hey y'all, Coach Bradley coming at you today, and we're going to chat a little bit about Nampons for nosebleeds. Let's get it. So I coach both baseball and football, and those are two sports where nosebleeds are quite common. And I've done the same thing you've probably done, some toilet paper, a paper towel, maybe a cotton swab, maybe even a tampon from time to time, just to get one of my athletes back in the game. Now, about a year ago, we came across these Nampons, tried them out, they seemed to work pretty well, so we started throwing them in all of our med kits. So let's go ahead and open this thing up, show you what you get, and show you how they work. So inside the box, you're gonna get 6 of these Nampons, and here's how they look all packaged up. And of course, you're gonna get your nice instructions, but this is a pretty straightforward process. So let's go ahead and open one of these up and take a look what they look like inside. Right here, and as you can see, it's super compact. And basically, you're just gonna stick this up your nose, and once it makes contact with the blood, that's gonna make it start to expand. You put a little pressure on the outside nostril as well, and before you know it, bada bing, bada boom, the blood flow is stopped. Now, I couldn't find anybody to come down and punch me in the face today, so you'll just have to take my word for it. These do actually work. So we got our coach's med kit right here, which has everything we need to deal with all the cuts, scrapes, bumps, and bruises that come with coaching youth sports. Unfortunately, it doesn't have anything in there for nosebleeds, and that's why we throw these Nampons in there now. And this med kit's complete. So to close this thing out, if you're looking for a fast, effective way to stop a nosebleed and get your young athletes back in the game, then these Nampons are not a bad way to go. It's for that reason that it gets a Coach Bradley thumbs up, and I say, go out and get you some.